We are going to squeeze out a seasonable day on this Friday. Slight rain chance this afternoon. Temperatures in the low to mid-90s. Midsummer type weather. But what's looming is a record heat wave, especially Monday and Tuesday. First alert weather days because of dangerous heat, excessive heat, extreme heat risk. Let's get you out the door this morning, though, on this Friday. Happy Friday to you. We'll start off this morning in the low to mid-70s. Very nice. Yeah, we can't complain about that. We did get some rain here in Albany again, so that cooled us down a little bit. 83 by 10 o'clock. It'll be a little bit warmer today. Yesterday's high 93. We're going with 94 for a high, and there might be an isolated shower or thunderstorm via the Gulf Coast sea breeze. Your evening planner will go from 86 to 79 with partly cloudy skies and another seasonable start to our Saturday, and then the heating begins. And then it gets ridiculously hot as we go into Monday and Tuesday. So we still have the extension of that old low, which again still has a 10% chance of development, but it's running into land. So no worries there. For tropical development, we can see that the sea breeze pulls inland just enough to bring out a few showers and storms. Then high pressure, one to our north, one to our east, and the upper level ridge will start to dominate our weather. So what that does is totally kill any chance of rain. I mean, there is a chance. There's always a chance in the summertime, but it's like 10% or lower heading into our Sunday and Monday. It'll be hot tomorrow, but season will be hot. And then the heat wave begins on Sunday. We'll see temperatures rising into the upper 90s and heat index values past 105. So likely to be under heat advisories Sunday afternoon, and then excessive heat warnings expected as we go into Monday and Tuesday. Then we'll start to break the heat wave late Tuesday into Wednesday with thunderstorms and cooling temperatures after that. So record heat early next week. Monday is still the day we do think we'll hit a record high of 102, with 101 being the old record in 2010. Again, we'll be close on Sunday and again on Tuesday, but the highest heat index will actually be Tuesday because the humidity levels will be on the rise. So let's break down that weekend. If you're going to be outside, I think Saturday will be the nicer of the 2 days. You got to do some yard work. Just do it early. 97, that's nothing really out of the ordinary, just a couple degrees above average in the heat index, not to heat advisory levels. But that'll change on Sundays. We hit 100, feeling like 108. And then Monday likely be on excessive heat warnings. That's the highest of warnings that we'll get for heat here in South Georgia. 102 for a high, a record high. Heat index 111. And again, temperatures may not even drop into the 70s as we wake up on Tuesday. And 100, there will be a few showers and thunderstorms, so some of us do get a little bit of a cooling trend. But again, the heat index numbers will be sky high, 113. That'll put us well into that excessive heat warning again. And that's why both of those days, Monday and Tuesday, are first alert weather days. And I've said it many times that heat is the #1 weather-related fatalities across the United States. So that's what kills more people than anything else. So we do put out a first alert weather day for dangerous and excessive heat as well. We'll talk all about it on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope you join us then.